How to personalize settings in Reddit. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you personalize settings in Reddit. To personalize settings in Reddit, you need to follow the steps. What you actually need to do is open the Reddit app on your device, tap the avatar icon from the top right corner of your screen, and then you want to make sure to go ahead and click on settings from the list. As you go to settings, you have to then make sure to click on account settings for you, and right on this section you can then go ahead and make sure to click on preferences section, and accordingly you go ahead and make changes or personalize settings for your Reddit feed. So this way you could personalize settings in Reddit. If you cannot find much option right on this section, you exit out, go to the page right on this wheel, and then you could also do it on this page. So this way you could go ahead and personalize settings in Reddit. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.